Question 1. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. S-turn ahead. B. Narrow bridge ahead. C. Dead end ahead. The correct answer is B. Narrow bridge ahead. The narrow bridge road sign warns drivers that the bridge ahead is narrower than the approaching roadway, which may limit space for vehicles to pass side by side. Drivers should slow down, stay centered, and be prepared to yield to oncoming traffic if necessary. Question 2. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Speed bump ahead. B. Uneven road ahead. C. Shoulder drop off ahead. The correct answer is C. Shoulder drop off ahead. The shoulder drop off or low shoulder sign warns drivers that the edge of the road is significantly lower than the travel lane, which can be dangerous if a tire slips off the pavement. Drivers should stay centered in their lane and avoid driving onto the shoulder. Question 3. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Truck races ahead. B. Truck rollover risk ahead. C. High winds ahead. The correct answer is B. Truck rollover risk ahead. A truck rollover risk sign is a critical safety indicator placed before sharp curves, ramps, or steep downgrades where the risk of rollover is heightened, especially for large, heavy vehicles. Ignoring it could not only endanger the truck driver, but also others sharing the roadway. Question 4. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. No right turns ahead. B. Train station ahead. C. Railroad crossing on side road ahead. The correct answer is C. Railroad crossing on side road ahead. This yellow diamond-shaped sign warns that a side road intersects with a railroad crossing. Drivers turning onto the side road or continuing straight should use extra caution and be aware that vehicles may have to stop for trains. Question 5. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Wrong way ahead. B. Lane ends ahead. C. Lane begins ahead. The correct answer is B. Lane ends ahead. A lane ends sign warns drivers that the road ahead will narrow, reducing the number of available lanes. This means vehicles in the ending lane must safely merge into the adjacent lane to continue. Technically, the sign above shows a right lane ends ahead warning. Question 6. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Narrow road, stay to the left. B. Chevron sign, left curving turn. C. Construction ahead, detour to the left. The correct answer is B. Chevron sign, left curving turn. A chevron sign is used to guide drivers through sharp curves or turns by indicating the direction and sharpness of the roadway. It consists of a series of black arrows on a yellow background, helping drivers stay safely within their lane. Question 7. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Added lane. B. Merging traffic. C. One-way road. The correct answer is A. Added lane. The added lane sign indicates that a new lane is merging onto the roadway, but no merging is required because the lane becomes a separate, added travel lane. Drivers in both lanes can continue moving forward without changing lanes or yielding. Question 8. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Large tunnel ahead. B. Short road ahead. C. Low clearance ahead. The correct answer is C. Low clearance ahead. The low clearance sign warns drivers that the roadway ahead passes under a bridge or structure with limited vertical space. Drivers of tall vehicles, such as trucks or RVs, must check their vehicle height to ensure they won't strike the overhead obstruction. Question 9. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Tunnel ahead. B. Tunnel roundabout ahead. C. Divided highway ahead. The correct answer is C. Divided highway ahead. The divided highway sign warns that the road ahead will be split by a physical barrier or median, separating traffic moving in opposite directions. Drivers should stay to the right of the divider and be alert for changes in lane alignment. Question 10. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Left tunnel. B. Keep right. C. Obstacle ahead. The correct answer is B. Keep right. A A keep right sign means that drivers must stay to the right side of a roadway feature, such as a traffic island, divider, or obstruction. It helps guide traffic safely and prevent collisions with obstacles or opposing traffic. And now for a quick bonus question. We really appreciate you watching this video. Many ask us, what is the best way they can help support the channel? A. Simply hit the like button. B. Subscribe to the channel. C. Purchase our exclusive exam prep on our website. The correct answer is A. Simply hit the like button. The best way to support the channel is by simply hitting the like button. Although subscribing would also help, we just wanted to take a moment to let you know we appreciate you watching this video very much, and we sincerely hope you pass your upcoming test. Question 11. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Brake zone ahead. B. Slippery when wet ahead. C. Drift zone ahead. The correct answer is B. Slippery when wet ahead. If you see a slippery when wet sign while driving, it means the road may become hazardous and slick during or after rain or other wet conditions. You should slow down, avoid sudden turns or braking, and drive with caution. Question 12. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Commercial zone ahead. B. Shopping zone ahead. C. School zone ahead. The correct answer is C. School zone ahead. This unique five-sided shape is used exclusively for school-related warnings. Drivers should slow down, watch for children, and obey posted speed limits during school hours or when children are present. It is crucial to be ready to stop for crossing students in these areas. Question 13. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Six-way intersection. B. Emergency medical services. C. Airport ahead. The correct answer is B. Emergency medical services. An emergency medical services (EMS) road sign indicates that there is a hospital, clinic, or other medical assistance facility nearby. It alerts drivers that emergency help is accessible if needed while traveling. Question 14. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Town ahead. B. T intersection. C. Turn lane. The correct answer is B. T intersection. A T intersection road sign warns drivers that the road they are traveling on will come to an end at a T shape, and they must turn either left or right. It alerts drivers to slow down and prepare to yield or stop before turning onto the crossroad. Question 15. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Snakes on road ahead. B. Uneven road ahead. C. Winding road ahead. The correct answer is C. Winding road ahead. The winding road ahead sign is a yellow diamond-shaped warning sign that alerts drivers to a series of curves or turns on the road ahead. Question 16. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Red cross ahead. B. Intersection ahead. C. Hospital ahead. The correct answer is B. Intersection ahead. An intersection ahead sign warns drivers that they are approaching a place where two or more roads cross. It alerts drivers to slow down, watch for other vehicles, and be prepared to stop or yield if necessary. Question 17. What should you do if you see this road sign? A. Ignore it. B. Give the right of way to bicycles if turning right. C. Speed up. The correct answer is B. Give the right of way to bicycles if turning right. Yielding to bicycles ensures their safety on the road. Question 18. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Hospital ahead. B. Helicopter pad ahead. C. High-rise building zone. The correct answer is A. Hospital ahead. A hospital road sign indicates that a hospital or emergency medical facility is nearby. It alerts drivers to be prepared for increased traffic, slow-moving vehicles, or ambulances entering or exiting the area. Question 19. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Rest and relax stop. B. Railroad crossing. C. Wrong way. The correct answer is B. Railroad crossing. A railroad crossing sign warns drivers that train tracks are ahead and they must be prepared to stop if a train is approaching. Question 20. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Traffic signal ahead. B. Non-functioning traffic signal ahead. C. No traffic signal intersection ahead. The correct answer is A. Traffic signal ahead. The traffic signal ahead sign is a yellow diamond-shaped warning sign that alerts drivers they are approaching an intersection controlled by traffic lights. Question 21. What is the meaning of this road sign? A. Stop ahead. B. Danger ahead. C. Yield ahead. The correct answer is C. Yield ahead. This sign is placed in advance of an actual yield sign, especially in areas where the yield sign might be hard to see due to curves, hills, or other obstructions. It serves as a pre-warning so drivers can anticipate the need to yield ahead of time. And this concludes the video. Again, we really appreciate you watching our channel. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and we hope you pass your upcoming test.